So welcome friends, and let's talk about the while loop. Very simple loop, basically used for iteration. If certain set of condition is true, then you can execute the bunch of statements inside the while loop, within the while loop. So how you can use it? Very simple. Use a while with an expiration. You can see this is the syntax that you can use while with an expiration, and if the condition is true, the code will be executed. And once again it will loop and check for the condition once again if it is true, it will loop, it will iterate, and once the condition is false, you will exit out of the loop. And this is the example, my friend. Suppose if we want to print a table, okay, of 2, so you can use a while loop. While with a count less than 10, that is an expression. Print bunch of statements or execute your logic and then increment the counter to 1 so that there is a way to exit out of the loop. You can also use while loop with an else. That is not possible in some other programming language like Java or C and C++. But here, suppose you want to update user if the certain condition is not true, you can use else with the while loop, and this I will show you in the demonstration. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and in the next section after the demonstration we will talk about some more conditions.